Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Rahmat Prastomo with NPM 2441161. Class Management 24R. Decoding inflation, causes, impact, and social costs. This presentation navigates the complex landscape of inflation, a critical macroeconomic concept. We'll explore its definition, measurement, diverse types, underlying causes, broad economic impacts, specific microeconomic effects, and significant social costs. Equipped with this knowledge, we aim to understand strategies used to combat inflation effectively, thereby promoting economic stability and sustainable growth. Dissecting the types of inflation. The main pool inflation occurs when a great demand exceeds available supply, often prompted by increased consumer spending, government expenditure, or export demand. This excess demand pulls prices upward as consumer competes for limited goods and services. Cost-push inflation arises from increases in the cost of production, like wage or raw materials. These costs are passed on to consumers, drops higher prices. Supply shock such as peaks in oil prices can trigger cost-push inflation. Built-in inflation evolves from past inflation, creating a wage price spiral. As workers demand higher wages to offset rising living costs, business increases prices to cover these wages, further fueling inflation in a perpetuating cycle. Unveiling the root cause of inflation. Monetary factors. Excessive growth in the money supply, often due to expansionary monetary policies, increases the amount of money circulating in the economy. This dilutes the value of its unit of currency, leading to higher prices for goods and services. Fiscal policies. Large government deficits, particularly when financed by borrowing or printing money, can stimulate demand and contributes to inflationary prices. Government spending on infrastructure or social programs can increase aggregate demand. Supply shocks. Sudden disruption in the supply of essential goods or services can lead to rapid price increases. Example include OPEC's oil embargo and recent global supply chain disruption due to pandemics or geopolitical events. Macroeconomic impacts of inflation. Reduce purchasing power. As prices rise, as a unit of currency boost fewer goods and services, effectively reducing the purchasing power of consumers. This impacts household budgets, especially for those with fixed incomes. Savings erosion. High inflation rates erodes the real value of savings, particularly when interest rates on savings accounts are lower than the inflation rate. This discourages saving and impacts long-term financial planning. Economic uncertainty. Inflation creates uncertainty in economic planning for businesses and households. Volatile prices make it difficult to forecast future costs and revenues, leading to cautious investment and spending decisions. Macroeconomic effect of inflation. 1. Business impact. Difficulty planning crisis. 2. Income impact. Disadvantage fixed income earners. 3. Job market. Wage erosion. Inflation has far-reaching microeconomic effects that disrupt everyday life. Income redistribution occurs as those and fixed incomes are disadvantaged. There is a rise in quality science as owners tend to gain while wage workers suffer, particularly because of labor market fluctuation and erosion of real wages. The social cost of uncontrolled inflation increases poverty, sharp price increases, especially for essential goods, can push more households into poverty as their income fail to keep pace with rising costs. Living standards decline, the affordability of basic necessities like food and energy decreases, leading to a decline in overall living standard and increases economic hardship. Social instability. High inflation can fuel social unrest and protest as people become frustrated with the rising cost of living and the perceived failure of economic policies to address their needs. Policy response to combat inflation. Monetary tightening. Central banks use monetary policy tools such as raising interest rates and reducing the money supply to cool down the economy. Higher interest rates discourage borrowing and spending, which reduce demand pull inflation. Fiscal discipline. Governments can implement fiscal measures to reduce public spending and lower budget deficit. This decreases overall demand in the economy, helping to control inflationary pressures. Supply side measures. Policies that enhance productivity and efficiency can increase the supply of goods and services. This helps to elevate supply side inflation by ensuring that supply meets demand. Concluding, balancing growth and stability. Controlling inflation is crucial for maintaining long-term economic stability. Unchecked inflation can lead to hyperinflation, which can destroy savings, distort investment decisions, and lead to social unrest. The most important thing is the need for policy balance between economic growth and inflation. Vigilance and proactive measures are essential in today's uncertain global economic environment.